मंगळारा तमिळनाडू पुलिशेन जनतेचेर पुलीस फायरिंग केल्ली. हातूंत 11 लोकांक मरण आयिल्लें. ह्या घडणुकेचो गोंयांत शेनवाराक कन्सर्न सिटीजन ऑफ गोवा संघटनेन निशेध केलो. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस.
People's Movement of Goa and civil society members have gathered here to protest the killings taking place in you can read here Tuticorin in Tamil Nadu. There were 13 people killed so far. People were peacefully protesting against the pollution and against the disease that the company has caused by their manufacture of copper. So people do not want such industries. People want a clean environment, people friendly. See, people elect the government to listen to the people, but over here we find that people have to come in thousands on the streets to make the government listen, and that is the tragedy today. It's high time that the politicians and the corporate sector take note of people's movement and behave themselves. Otherwise people's power will prevail.
We organized this solidarity protest because we believe that what happened in Tamil Nadu is not an isolated incident. It's known to be a violator not just in India but across the globe, and such a company should not exist in our country. That's why we are all here today, and I hope that the Goa government also takes note that they have allowed this company to exist here for many years, and we are bearing the brunt of this. We condemn the killings that happened in Tuticorin, and we stand with our brothers and sisters.
In democratic and civilized society, we expect the corporates to do business as per the law and as per the ethics of the corporates. The corporates have a free hand to play with the life, play with the environment of this country, and in such situations the government is duty bound to take action against the corporates. What happened in Tuticorin by firing and killing 30 innocent people proves that the democracy in this country is in danger, and corporates have free hand. In such situation, the people of India should come in big number and raise voice against corporate terrorism. We must say no to corporate terrorism, and therefore we are here to express our solidarity with the innocent people in Tamil Nadu